Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you the improvements we've made to TXE over the past few weeks. And it's been a lot of improvements and a lot of time spent into making these improvements. So let's see what they are. So we're going to start up by clicking accept. We're going to look at this. So we're going to maximize this and then going to pull this new divider here to this side. We can pull it there too, but we're just going to pull it here. And then for now, we've got this. And it's the same one. We just changed it to beta version 0.171. And so then we've got this file system, which tells us that we're in my username, and then desktop, and then TXE Java 7. And then we've got this desktop metadata stuff. And then we've got this folder here that's under that. That's a child of it. If you program, you would know what it is. You would know what a child is. But I guess it's self-explanatory. So then we can also find where our source code is there, because currently I am developing using the Eclipse SDK, which if you do Java, I highly recommend. And so then we're going to go in there, and then we found the, since I'm working in there, I've set it to the current folder you're currently using from. So if, say, you are using this from the desktop folder on a Mac, it'd say your username, and then desktop, and then I don't know exactly what, because I haven't made this into a jar yet. So then now, there's also these two buttons, like right here. They do this function. So if you click on that, it hides that component. Now if you click on that, it goes back to normal, what you had before. And if you click that, it goes back to normal. So then that's good. And I have to go for a moment, so I'll come back and we'll start. And then so then I'm back, and the things we can see that are new are, for example, new icons here, and a print functionality, which works fine. And I have a few things set up here. So we're going to we can use page setup, and we can make the size a letter legal, or whatever you want. Custom, you can even make it custom, like right here. And then you can also make it appearance, color appearance and stuff, but it's not going to do that. So then we're just gonna use a general, and then this is my printer that should be connected, but if it's not, it doesn't matter. We can also change the number of copies. Print, done printing. Now we're gonna go to sidebar, and we can see this. So we're gonna open up this, so it is not printing. Okay. So then it was printed earlier. It was connected earlier. So it's going to print as soon as I connect it on, but I can't connect it right now. I don't know where the line went, so guess we'll just have to do that next time. And so then we've got all these printing jobs going, and you can do pause the printer. This is like the printer driver, so it's not made by us. It's made by Canon, I believe. So then we can go to the next tab menu, item menu, and then you can make a cut, copy, and paste, format, style. These haven't changed. And then settings, screenshots, and now it's been saved. Prevent overwriting TXE screenshot.png. And so then input to be found. We can type some input here. So this is also a new function. You can find input text. So text to be inputted. Input text to be found. So we're gonna type some stuff, like say for of, and then click on the find button. It'll find it and highlight it in yellow in a sort of square shape. And if we type another thing, say beta, it will change it to beta and just highlight the previous highlight. And so if we also say is, and then not yet, but so I'm going to write some examples of is, like is in capitals, is, in somewhat capitals, is in another somewhat capitals, and is in lowercase. So it doesn't matter whether or not if it's capitalized or whatever. It doesn't ignores case, so as shown here with different types of cased is. So that's good. And then we've got another one, I believe. Yeah, right. We've got the new programs we've been working on. Hello, so I've been back from reloading this project, and now it took a little bit to load, but now we're back, and so we're going to run this project. So this goal of this project, NeptuneView, is to make it into a media player, and it will be pretty good when it's done. So then we're going to do picture, and so we've got the image file, and so we've got the we've got this desktop-like thing, and we've got this folder image file. We can minimize it, not minimizes. You can also open another folder picture, and then we can make it Australia. We can get it to open. Opens. Very nice looking pictures from iChat. And we, as you've possibly noticed, we've also got the file name here. File what do you call it? File path. Yeah, file path. So we're gonna open up another one, image files. If you noticed, we've got all of this bunch of stuff here. Before it was all of that. Now it's not, because now we don't have it here. So we've got this, rid of a lot of files which aren't actually files, picture files. And so let's try opening that. So it appears that GIFs don't work. So we're going to have to try fixing that in later versions of this. But we might just again fix it and address this issue, like we are going to be addressing a lot of the other ones. So we've got Belgium opened, and it appears that it is somehow messed up. But I'm sure that it will be fixed again, like a lot of other things will be. So then let's try finding a PNG file. China? I don't know. Open up China's. Yes. It appears that we have a little glitch. So let's try closing and exiting. So also we've got we've mapped some shortcuts. So if we clicked Control O for open. So if we do Control O, we've got this open dialog. And so it also tells you which folder you're looking in. Yeah, it's incompatible currently with the what do you call it? It's incompatible with the things here. It's incompatible with GIF images. So yeah, we've accidentally opened up multiple of the same image, and so I believe it might just be NetBeans, which is acting up. So once we have some more updates on this NeptuneView, we will be posting more videos. But for now, goodbye, and see you next time.